Is your Honeywell water heater pilot light refusing to stay lit? This frustrating problem has several common causes that we can systematically troubleshoot. The most common culprits are a faulty thermocouple or a malfunctioning gas valve. These two components work together to control your pilot light safely. The thermocouple is a crucial safety device. It senses the pilot flame and generates a small voltage of about 30 millivolts that keeps the gas valve open. If the pilot light goes out, the thermocouple cools down, the voltage drops, and the gas valve automatically shuts off to prevent dangerous gas leaks. Modern Honeywell gas valves often include a status LED that can help diagnose the problem quickly. Different light patterns indicate specific issues with the thermocouple or gas valve. Other causes include a dirty pilot tube that blocks gas flow or insufficient gas supply to the water heater. These issues can also prevent the pilot light from staying lit consistently. Before you start any troubleshooting, always shut off the gas and water supply to the water heater for safety. This prevents gas leaks and ensures you can work safely on the system. When your pilot light won't stay lit, the first step is to inspect and clean the thermocouple. This safety device senses the pilot flame and can become dirty or corroded over time. After cleaning, ensure the thermocouple is properly positioned in the pilot flame. It should be positioned 3/8 to 1/2 inch from the pilot flame for optimal heat sensing. If cleaning and repositioning don't solve the problem, the thermocouple may need replacement. Replacement thermocouples are readily available online and are relatively inexpensive compared to other repairs. If the thermocouple isn't the issue, the problem may be with the gas valve. Check for adequate gas pressure reaching the water heater and inspect the pilot tube for any clogs or obstructions. For water heaters less than 10 years old, replacing a faulty gas valve can save hundreds of dollars compared to replacing the entire unit. However, for older units that are 15 to 20 years old, complete replacement might be more practical. After completing any gas line work, safety is paramount. Always check for gas leaks using a gas leak detector or soapy water solution. Look for bubbles forming around connections, which indicate escaping gas.